Yo, what is up, guys? Serg here. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can actually start making money with your website. But if you guys have not created a website, I do have a video on how you guys can actually create a website in my YouTube channel. I'll have the link right here. But yeah, this video is just gonna show you guys how you guys can get started making money with your website for free. Alright, you guys do not have to pay anything or do anything to make your website get money for you. So before we get started with this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys could be up to date when I post my next video. So yeah, I'm still doing that 10K challenge where I'm posting every single day. If you guys want to help me out on reaching 10K subscribers, hit that subscribe button and you get a specific link that's your link. And everybody who clicks through that link and purchases something there, you guys get paid easily. Alright, so you know, there's lots of ways where you guys could do it. Let's say you guys are talking about a cooking product. Let's say you guys are talking about digital products, whatever. I'm gonna go with this digital tool that a lot of people use, which is Bluehost. Bluehost is a web service. If you guys created a website, you guys probably hit Bluehost and see what Bluehost was about. Some of your blogs are probably hosted by Webhost. Alright, so Webhost is actually you know, really common where a lot of creators or a lot of bloggers like to talk about how to create a website, right? So they show you, they even write articles about it. As you can see here, they write articles saying, oh, how to use this, pick up, you know, and they're gonna show you what type of web hosting they use. I don't know which one they use for this one. I don't think this website is actually promoting anything, but you can see that they can actually promote a web hosting. Alright, oh well, he's actually talking about Bluehost. Alright, so Bluehost is actually he's actually promoting Bluehost, so you could easily click here and it's gonna send you to Bluehost. And they, you know, they are doing a Labor Day weekend promotion going on. So so yeah, as you can see here, right here, to start off is $275. all right, so he is actually an exclusive offer for fans of the blog starter. So that's what, you know, so every single time someone purchases through here, he gets a commission out of it, which is about $65 depending if you guys negotiated with Bluehost. But when it's starting off, it's actually $65, but you guys could actually raise that up after you guys get consistent sales and stuff like that. So yeah, and another blog that they're actually talking about Bluehost is this one as well. As you can see, that these people are making money off Bluehost just by telling them how to create a website and to choose this website and this and that. So if I click here, it's gonna send me to their link and to Bluehost. Alright, but I don't think they actually have the exclusive offer just like Blog Starter. No, it's just regular $295. Alright, boom, that's it. Okay, and that's how you guys can actually start making money. You guys could do with anything. Alright, whatever you guys are talking about. Let's say you guys are talking about headphones in your products, books, whatever you guys could actually think of, they have an affiliate. All you guys gotta do is actually just look it up. Let's say let's say Sony. All right, Sony headphones. All right, let's see, you could put it or just put Sony headphones affiliates. Alright, Sony does have an affiliate program. As you can see, Sony has an affiliate program. If you guys are promoting Sony products, you guys could easily sign up through Sony and be an affiliate. And that's it. Look, as you can see here, all you gotta do is join the affiliate program, and that's it. That's all you guys gotta do to actually promote it. And you guys could see the domain, this and that, you know, program approvals and stuff like that. Open, whatever you guys look. They give you 4% 4% commissions and 2.00% commissions. All right, so that's what they give you on outlet sales and stuff like that. So which is, you know, it's pretty good if you're talking about physical products. But yeah, that's why I go for digital products and stuff like that, because they give you higher commission. But yeah, that's how you guys can actually make money. As you can see here, right here, people are making money just by saying how to create a website and just telling them, okay, choose this thing to create a website. Use Bluehost to create a website, and that's pretty much it. And you guys are making money. You know, let's say one sale each day, right? One sale each day, that's $65, right? Times 7 out of a week. You guys are getting 455 extra money off your guys' blogs if you guys are doing Bluehost, alright? No matter what, you know, Sony is actually pretty expensive if you guys buy their products, you know, stuff like that. So 4% is pretty good. Let's say I believe these cost me 300 times 4%. It's $12, you know, but that's what I mean by going digital products. But if you guys sell a lot of these, you guys could actually make you know, good money. But yeah, guys, a lot of people are actually making money off this. So if you guys want to start, you know, if you guys haven't made money off your website yet, you guys could actually just get started and just go on your articles and see what products that you guys are even talking about. Alright, you see the product, alright, just look up that product and just put affiliate, and you guys can actually join their affiliate programs and start making money. Alright, that's all you guys gotta do. Alright, so yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell, because I am posting every single day until I reach 10K subscribers. If you guys want to help me out with that, just hit that subscribe button. And also, if you guys want to start off affiliate marketing the right way, I do have a free course, and I'm closing it at $300 at 300 students, so I can help out those 300 students first, and then I'm gonna keep it free for life, so you guys do not have to worry about that. But I am gonna close it down after I reach 300, so I can help out those students do affiliate marketing the right way. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.